what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlogs. It's been so long since I've vlogged. I've actually got my camera up on a little tripod so I can be hands-free for this vlog. Wanted to say a huge thank you to Best Buy for partnering with me on today's video and for helping me check off so much of my to-do list for Christmas. We're gonna be getting into the Christmas spirit in today's video, and if anyone's about to write that it's too soon to get into the Christmas spirit, I'll have you know that it started snowing in Chicago in October. There was snow all over the ground before Halloween. I need to start getting excited about Christmas now, otherwise I'm gonna lose my mind. Thank you. Let's continue. Obviously this means we put our Christmas tree up. I'm so excited. I'll show you guys our tree. I'm actually going to be going to Best Buy to get a head start on my Christmas shopping, hopefully knock out the majority of my list there, and then I'll show you guys what I actually get for everybody. Then I'm going to be actually wrapping Christmas presents today, and then I'll show you guys my dream house and an empty house tour. We got our Christmas tree put up. We have a flocked tree, and I believe this is the 6 foot tall flock tree. It's pre-lit and it has these pine cones on it. I love this tree because it already kind of has that decorated look without anything actually hanging on it that Kennedy can pull off. She's at that age where she can climb up to anything and grab it off, and she tries to put everything in her mouth. I feel like our home just looks complete having a Christmas tree up, especially with this open spot on this long wall. It looks like it was just made for a Christmas tree to be there. Let me know down below in the comments if you started decorating as well, or if you're someone who thinks it's too early to decorate. Do you wait until after Thanksgiving, or do you think it's totally okay that I have my tree up already? You guys are probably thinking that I'm insane right now, because if you've been following me, you know that we just built our house last year, and you would be correct. So hear me out before you think I'm totally crazy. My parents haven't moved in 23 years. They're literally still in the house that I grew up in. They decided to get a new house, and Cody and I actually picked out the house for them. Cody and I walked through it and we were like, this house is perfect. It is seriously so gorgeous. I can't wait for you to see it. This is also partially the reason why I'm kicking off my Christmas shopping today, because I think I'm going to do a joint housewarming and Christmas gift for them because they need so much for their house. I'm gonna go to Best Buy to find their housewarming / Christmas present because they have the best assortment for all things smart home. And if I get confused and I need any help navigating through all the home products, I can just ask one of the blue shirts because they can help me figure out what would be the best gift for that particular house. I've always done the majority of my Christmas shopping at Best Buy because it's kind of a one-stop shop for all of the gifts that I need on my list for my husband, for my brother, for my sister, for my in-laws. Like, there's so many things that I can always find something for everyone on my list. I also really like doing my shopping at Best Buy because they have free next day delivery on a lot of their items, and they have free standard delivery on all online ordering. And in case you're ever running really behind, or you forgot to order a gift for someone, or you're on your way to a holiday party, you can actually order to pick up in store. Let me know down below in the comments if you're someone who prefers to do all of their Christmas shopping in one place, or do you go to a ton of different stores? I personally like to take the most efficient route and do the majority of my shopping all at once. That way I can check it off my list. So Kennedy is actually napping right now, so I'm gonna use a little bit of time I have left to pick up the house, and then when she gets up, I'm going to feed her lunch. I'll film all of that, and then we're gonna head out to Best Buy, and when we get back, I'll actually show you guys what I ended up buying for everyone on my list. So I'm back from Best Buy, and I did end up getting my parents a housewarming / Christmas present. I actually ended up getting a lot more of my Christmas shopping done while I was at Best Buy, so I thought I would show you guys what I got and who I got it for. I've already warned my family in advance not to watch this video, so if they do and they ruin the Christmas surprise, that's on them. My little brother and I grew up playing video games, and he's still the world's biggest Nintendo fan. I decided to get him the Nintendo Switch Lite. This is perfect for on-the-go gaming. It's portable. He travels back and forth from from Michigan to Illinois every week, so this way he can easily take his Nintendo with him. This is seriously the perfect gift for my brother. I bought this Hypervolt Plus massage device for Cody. We have been looking at this for months. Cody has always been a runner. He loves exercising. He literally pays for like monthly massages to help with his muscles after all of his workouts. So this is going to be amazing. Cody's family loves to entertain. They love to cook, especially Cody's stepdad. He is an amazing chef. So I ended up getting them this Ninja Foodie grill because it has the power of an outdoor grill, but you can use it inside, and that is so huge for the winter months. This grill also has an air fry crisper, and I know for a fact that his family does not have an air fryer or anything close to it. So the gift that I actually ended up going with for my parents' new house slash their Christmas present is the Dyson Pure Hot and Cool. I thought the idea of an air purifier would be a great gift because since all of the construction, there's probably dust in the house. This also has heating and cooling. This way, if they want to keep the house one temperature, but they want to keep their bedroom cooler, this is going to be the perfect device for them. Plus, my parents are the biggest fans of Dyson. Like, if they could have Dyson everything in their house, they would. So I know when they open this, they're going to be so excited. So now I'm actually going to get started on wrapping these gifts. I'm about to get so much checked off of my Christmas to-do list today. I feel really good about this. So now I want to talk to you guys all about my parents' new house. So if you've seen my family vlogs in the past, especially the ones I did around Christmas time, you guys have seen in my parents' house. They have been in that house for the last 23 years. My parents definitely have outgrown that house. And if you've seen my vlogs in the past, you know that I call my mom the CVS because she has so much stuff at her house. This is the current pantry situation. We got a second side pantry over here. Coke bottles for all of her children, except Kennedy is obviously missing because she insists that her name is Violet. Somebody needs to call TLC because I've got their next hoarder right here. My parents' house as it is currently looks like the inside of a Home Goods. My mom might be secretly running an Etsy store with the amount of signs in her house that say blessed on them. Blessed, 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 blessed. I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. At least this one's a little bit different than the 4 other blessed signs. She has a secret stash of blessed signs. Blessed. 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 Oh. She is being restrained from buying any more signs that said blessed. You cannot go to a Home Goods, Susan.
This is for you.
You are banned.
We're doing this for you.
Intervention. Intervention. If you guys have seen my vlogs in the past, you know that I call my mom Susan or Barbara. Yeah, well, with all these blessed signs, I think I'm gonna need to start calling her Karen. Okay, Karen. Calm down, Karen. Karen levels 100. If I didn't know better, I think my mom had live, laugh, love tattooed on her somewhere. All jokes aside, my parents are some of the hardest working, kindest people you'd ever meet. My mom would literally give you the shirt off her back if you told her you liked it. And I say that because I've literally seen that happen. My parents have been in that same house since we were little kids. They've never really done anything for themselves. It's always been for their children or for the people in their lives. I'm really excited for them that they're doing this for themselves. They were starting to look at homes and I was going with them to look at houses. And on one of these weekends, Cody and I saw that there was an open house and we went through the house that I'm about to show you guys. And Cody and I were both like, this home is amazing. It's move-in ready. All the finishes are incredible. They put so much thought and detail into every single part of this house. Now you guys can rest knowing that Cody and I aren't crazy. We're not moving yet. We're still staying in this house that we built for a little bit longer. And now I'll show you guys my parents' new home and their empty house tour. This is the mudroom. It has this amazing built-in the mudroom, which is perfect for storing coats and hats and bags and anything you may need before you go outside. Even in the mudroom, there's a window. There's so much natural light coming through this house. There's a really large coat closet off of the built-ins. As you come out of the mudroom, to the right is a powder bath. I love the quartz countertop and the cabinet pulls in here. These are the same cabinet pulls that are in the kitchen. From the powder bath, heading back toward the front door, you can see the staircase. I love that it's a split staircase. You can see in this office, the amount of detailing is just stunning. The wainscoting on the walls, the coffered ceilings, the huge window, like this is just beautiful. So then straight ahead is the dining room. I love how high up the wainscoting goes, and look at the double tray ceiling. Like the details in here are just stunning. Turn to the right, you can get to the living room and the kitchen, but if you go through the dining room, you go through the Butler Pantry. And the Butler Pantry is one of my favorite parts about this house. I love the extra storage. This is so functional and so helpful to have. Across from the Butler Pantry is another thing that's going to be so helpful for my mom, which is the real pantry. They've been storing their food literally all over the living area. So having this amazing built out pantry is going to be life-changing for my parents. Then coming from the Butler Pantry, you are in the kitchen. And I wish I could have filmed this a little bit earlier with the natural light in here. It's pretty close to sunset right now, which is why it seems dark. My mom loves white cabinets, so she loves this kitchen. Something that's really cool about this kitchen is while the cabinets are white, the lower island is actually a darker wood cabinet, so it gives it a little bit of contrast. Another cool thing about this kitchen is this stunning quartz island with this thicker veining. And then the rest of the countertops are a simple gray with a marble subway tile backsplash. Mom literally cooks dinner every single day. She's always making dinner for her neighbors. The fact that she's getting this brand new kitchen with this amazing stove is so exciting. Look how insanely large this fridge is. My parents really wanted to have this house so all of their children and grandchildren could come over. We're gonna be here for Thanksgiving. She loves making dinner for everyone, so this massive fridge is perfect for them. This is the breakfast nook slash little dining area. Across from the kitchen, you can see the living area. The symmetry just gets me with the beams going down the fireplace and the windows on the side. Oh, it's so perfect. First, I'll show you guys the rest of the house. Look at the crown molding and these huge windows. This is beautiful. Off to the right is the master bedroom. The ceiling with all of the details and the molding. This is the size of the master closet. Are you kidding me? I feel like some people are gonna write me and be like, Carly, you literally took an entire room of your house and made a closet, but that's the difference. I literally had to take a room of our house and turn it into a closet, and this is meant to be the master closet. That's incredible. Then on the other side is the master bathroom. And this is maybe the most peaceful room I've ever been in my life. There's his and her vanities. This tub, can you even? There's this really soft marble tiling for the floor. That's the same tile that's in the shower. This kind of reminds me of our bathroom, except this bathroom is like times a million. I feel like if I lived here, I would honestly make my morning coffee. I would just sit in the shower and drink my coffee and warm up. Something that's really nice about this house, every bedroom has some sort of access to a bathroom. Off to the left is the laundry room, which is so nice that it's on the second floor. It's near my mom's room, so she doesn't have to run up and down the stairs whenever she wants to do laundry. If you guys know me, you know that I would definitely have a coffee maker up here because girl's not gonna wait to go downstairs to get my coffee. I would just come right off the bedroom and make it up here. To the left, I would say this is probably like the junior master suite because it has the ensuite bathroom, and the other bathroom I believe is connected with a Jack and Jill. So this bathroom has some really cool tiling on the ground. Again, it's a little bit different than the other bathrooms, which I love that they're just slightly different details. And then there's the white large subway tile bath and shower. So then this is the third bedroom. All the bedrooms are pretty similar. And then this is the Jack and Jill bathroom connecting the next two bedrooms. Look how much counter space. This is incredible. So much storage in this bathroom. And then this bathroom has a huge shower. So that was my parents' new home. It is stunning and I'm so excited for them. That's it for today's vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up to let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much again to Best Buy for partnering with me on today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.